myself Naveen Bhalla. I just want to share my personal experience of the implants that I've recently done at Sharanya Health Care clinic. I would say the doctors are really very, very generous, and they just give you a very friendly environment. Even if you're in pain, you feel like that you're at home, you're heard, you're completely listened, whatever medication can be done in a proper way, the proper treatments are given, and the best part is that the follow-ups are done, the appointments are given at your convenience. So that is something which is a plus. You can find a lot of dentists around the world, right? But what matters most is the kind of service that you get, the kind of personalization that you get, the kind of comfort that you get. So if you're looking for exceptional experience, I would recommend come and get yourself diagnosed with any issues that you have with your teeth right now, implants or anything. Just give them a chance, and I'm sure you'll have a wow experience like me. That's all I would like to say. Thank you so much. Bye.